Seriously, no. You have to give me the pictures in the video.
Yeah.
It's so fucking funny. Preserve my modesty, arsehole!
Bro, we have to stay behind Robert when he walks.
Yeah, because now I'm wearing scantily clad clothing, you want to be behind me. Who wouldn't, but you know.
He'll keep on walking at you. He's scarred like kids for life.
Be naked, but his head. You going this way? Yeah. You do realise I'm going all the way to Brett's house like this?
Yeah. You go walk across the main road.
Walk. We're like straight across the main road.
You have to save memory for that.
Losing my shoes. Put my shoes back on. That's what that. Alright, hang on. I'm putting my shoes on. It's me putting shoes on. What the Dude! My modesty! Why don't you go and film something like that? As I do.
Because it's cool.
Oh, man, if this wasn't funny, I wouldn't be doing it. Stop looking at my cock. If this wasn't the funniest shit I've ever done, I would not be doing this. It's kind of cold out here. You know what I mean?
We should all do it.
Fuck off. Yeah, you see, now it's starting to show through. Brett just wants us all to get our pants off. Exactly.
No.
What?
He's crazy.
Don't just hey. Why do you keep filming my cock?
Because you like it.
It's not cool, dude. I like salad. I'm speaking of which. Dude. Oh, man, I can see it now. Me laying, bleeding on the ground. You guys
feeling so much pain, I was stripping naked.
tie me to a pole like that. Have you seen the Simpsons movie?
No.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, you gotta see it. You want
Yeah,
to stand
Brett, don't worry.
Hey, Brett.
Do it again.
No. I don't want you to whack off to it.
Hey, Brett, you whack up.
Pull your whole pants up and make it look like you were a G-string.
Brett, shut the fuck up.
There you go. You film.
What do you mean?
Hi.
What? What's so strange about me? Put me in the dickhead. No.
That's the idiot.
If you stand behind me, I'm...
See up there? That's him.
Hiding in the shadows. Nothing.
Hiding in the shadows.
Go to 3 minutes. Where are we going?
It's a really nice shirt. I like this shirt.
Yeah, give me it. I'll take it.
No!
I dare you. I seriously dare you to take your shirt off and walk around. Tie it off like go. Hands no guy.
I'll keep doing this for a little bit more because I like it. I hope you're getting this on film, dude.
He's from Hanson Road. One of the little pissy girls that walks around Hanson Road.
I don't know why I feel so comfortable doing this.
Hey, Robert, we're near Hanson Road.
Your mum's doing it.
Do you feel comfortable doing this?
Oh, fuck, people. Use this car. I'm holding my hand. Oh, man. This is not going to go down well.
What if your mum finds this?
She'll laugh. That's pretty funny, huh? Say that on camera. Is that loud? What?
Filming.
What's up, watch for it, man? What, you both want videos now, do you?
No, you can't. His camera's fucked.
And whose fault is that?
Mine.
Shit. Drop my phone. Be more careful, bitch.
Run like a pansy still.
Brett, I don't want
I want to get it on. No, I want to get it on by film.
Brett, put these in your bag.
This is great. Guys, we're going to jail. I'm fairly sure this is illegal somehow.
Yeah, it is.
How is it? But then again,
Walk this way.
Whoa, Jesus, whoa.
Hide behind the van.
This music sounds like this. Yeah, next to Oh, you got an LG phone? We can put music on your phone, eh?
oh maybe, I don't know.
There we are.
It doesn't have the cable.
Mine doesn't have a connection thing at all. Mine's just a ship one.
Same, he's got the same connection as mine.
Has he?
Yeah, because I can charge my phone with this charger.
Mother's wearing fuck all.
Shut up. But you think this is funny, bro?
You seriously, I'm fucking walking ahead of you. Look like get the fuck off me.
I'm gonna stop enjoying this so much.
Oh fuck no.
What?
We're fucked.
Why?
Literally. We have to walk across the fucking main road.
Dude, it's me!